Hey, welcome to Square Body Stuff. I'm Chad, and got Cream Puff in the shop. Yeah, this is how my day's going. So it ain't really bad. It's just one of those things. It's an inconvenience. I've kind of got my day planned out. I want to get that transmission. I've got it done. Everything I'm going to do to it, it's ready to go back in the truck. I want to get it in this truck today and be done with this truck, so I can get Squeaky in here to get him ready for No Name Nationals. Or just get him ready, just get him running. I got a lot of stuff I want to do to the truck itself. Got to build the motor. Anyhow, I have my day planned. Looking forward to it. And this is what I walk out to when I get ready to leave work. I walk out to the parking lot. No, Cream Puff's kind of sitting cattywampus. Yeah, I picked up something. Probably got a rock in it or something from the gravel road. Who knows? I did find the hole, but haven't done anything with it. I got my own tire machine, and I've got a bubble balancer. I think I might have balance beads in these tires. I don't remember for sure. And I've also got some other tires laying around that I was thinking about putting on there because these are getting pretty wore out. That would be the responsible thing to do. But because I just don't want to spend any more time on this than I have to, because I got my day planned, just going to get it done quick and dirty. Break out the plugs. Because in the face of adversity, we shall overcome. So I guess I'll get this thing jacked up, find a hole, and I'll do a how to plug your tire when you not really supposed to. It's a temporary thing. It may be fairly permanent. I don't know. I've run plugs for way longer than what I should have, but this will get me by so I can get on with the rest of my plans ahead for today. Yeah, it's just going to be one of them days. Now my jack decided to spring a pretty good leak. I had to take it apart the other day or a couple weeks ago. One of the pistons were sticking. And now it's just leaking everywhere. Oh well, that's the way it goes. What we're going to do is I'll have to put some air in it. I'll turn my wheels the other way so it'll be easier to see. And find our hole. It was in this general vicinity somewhere along that rib. Yeah, these tires really just need to be replaced. I know that, but I'm going to get all the life I can out of them. I just haven't decided if I'm going to go back with this size or what size tires I'm going to go with. And I'll just get what I can out of these. And the other fun thing that's happened today is in the middle of worrying about getting home to get my make sure I had enough air in my tire, because I had a little air pump. Luckily I had it in the toolbox of the truck. I just want you to plug in a cigarette lighter and set it to whatever pounds you want, and it pumps it up for you. So that took a little extra time. Sit there, wait for it to pump up just enough to get it home. About halfway home, which I'm about 4 miles from work, the Cream Puff decides to try to run out of fuel. He's got dual tanks. Switch it to the other tank, and it's almost empty. I'm like, oh yeah, because today I was gonna go to the gas station before I left town and get fuel in it. I forgot, so I'm probably not gonna have enough fuel to get back to work. So I went and looked. I don't have any gasoline in any gas cans. I got some diesel fuel, and I've got race fuel, which the race fuel is getting kind of old. I think it's probably a year old, because I bought 5 gallons last year whenever I went to the drag strip, and we just never got back to it and tore Cream Puff down, or Squeaky down. So I think Cream Puff's going to get some aged race fuel so I can get to town. But that's just kind of how my day's going. But no big deal. plug kit. You just get the rasp, whatever you want to call it, the poker. You gotta stick it in there, clean it out. You got your strips, and you got your insert tool. And no, these aren't recommended for driving on the road, but we do it anyways. And you may do them a little different than me, but stick them in there like that. You like give them a little twist and pull it out. And with any luck, that'll get me by till I'm not so busy and I can fix this the correct way. But that's pretty much all there is to plugging a tire. Like I said, not really recommended, but it'll get you by. It's a good idea to have these in your vehicle, which I usually do, but somehow they got taken out. I mean, I'm going to put them back in the truck where they're supposed to be. So you can do this on the side of the road if you got a little air pump like I got. But I'll finish airing that up. I'll get some fuel in him, and then I'll get this thing out and we'll get busy on I'll get busy on the old cherry bomb. Well, Crane Press probably saying, "Oh, why is it so spicy?" That ought to be enough. Now onto my regularly scheduled programming. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys are having a better day than me. Y'all keep your square bodies rolling, and we'll catch you later.